Calling all driving instructors in West Bromwich and Sandwell. Are you looking for a rewarding opportunity with competitive pay and a supportive team? Join RD2, Success Driving School, where we value your skills and dedication. We offer an impressive hourly rate of £40 to £45, well above the local average of £30 to £35. At RD2 Success, we believe in empowering our instructors. You'll receive continuous support, access to resources and opportunities for professional growth. Our school has been voted among the top 3 in Sandwell for the past 5 years, thanks to our dedicated team of instructors who prioritise safety and personalised learning. Ready to take your career to the next level? Join RD2 Success Driving School today. Contact us at 0742 9144805 or email rd2successinstructor@gmail.com. Join us and drive success together.